My name is Kanan Catlett. I'm a junior. I play football at Franklin Road Academy, and I live in Nashville, Tennessee. GPA right now is a 3.0, and I plan to graduate hopefully with a 3.5 or above. That's the same for college. I want to graduate college with a 3.5 or above. I mean, it's tough. Like, it really does push me. I have to stay after school, like hours, 3 to 4 hours some days, but I do what I got to do to, get the grade right. So I want to go to a college the next 4 years. It's going to be academically challenging because when I came into FRA, I was challenged for the first year. That was hard for me to get back into private school once I came out of public school. So I want to go somewhere that's going to be academically tough. And then obviously football is always going to be tough. But that's going to be tough because I'm going to push myself and challenge myself to where, it's going to be hard. Because if it's not going to be hard, then I'm not getting any better. So every time I step on this field, I'm here. I'm trying to kill myself when I'm on this field, basically. Career-wise, I wanted to be a lawyer or a pediatrician because I feel like that's something I'd be good at. I know that's going to take a little extra schooling, but I'm fine with that. But my main goal is to ride football as long as I can go with it. So that means I ball out through college, NFL, that's the goal. But if that doesn't happen, I got backup plans. But my plan is to ride this as long as I can go and work my hardest to keep with it. So there's been about 3 people that have really helped me so far in my life, and that's my mom, my strength and conditioning coach, and my head football coach. So of course my mom, takes care of me, takes me to practice, does all those things like that. But when I first came to FRA, Mark Sutton was the head strength and conditioning coach, and he helped me out. He was really the first person that believed in me, and he taught me to stay in the weight room. And it's always grind, no matter what the circumstances is, no matter what you have going outside, out of school, or what's bothering you in school, you have to stay in that weight room and do what you got to do. So then when Coach Lou came in, Jordan Llewellyn, I already had the mentality that I've got to work, and as long as I'm in here, I'm working. I'm not goofing off, I'm working. So I already had that mentality, and he just pushed me. His weight program's literally it's so good. So I've been able to make insane gains and just get strong where I need to be at. So that really helped me a lot. And then Bill Whittemore, our head football coach, he cares about me more as being a man and having good character than being an athlete. He cares more that I come out of FRA knowing where I stand and how to be a man in this society, less than just I'm a baller, I got to ball out. So I feel like that's really shaping me and who I'm going to become.